the next page. Where is that train going? Why that train is going right over there? Why is that train going over there?
Well, you have to read the words. It tells you why the train is going where it's going.
You can push a button there. There's not a button. There's not a button at this page.
There isn't?
There isn't.
We'll go try another page. Oh, there's no words on that page. Is that what you mean?
Yeah. There's buttons in the train.
There are?
Yeah.
Huh. Can you read me the book? Can you read me the story?
It goes back up. It goes beep beep.
That's what the bulldozer does.
The train, the passenger, it goes back back. The train is all the way. What is that thing?
That's the little boy.
Why?
Because he's looking out his window at the rain.
Why?
Well, remember when we read the book, it told you why.
Those boys going by themselves.
They are going by themselves, yes.
Their mom's not going by themselves.
No, it's just them. They're brave.
What is those?
Those are the train wheels.
Why?
Because the train needs wheels.
Why? So it doesn't fall down.
Right.
Let's close all the windows.
That's right. That's what it says. What else happens on that page?
What? Clip,
Tickets, please.
clips, clips. There's the train going through the tunnel. It's going our start time. There's ding dings.
There's the ding ding.
Why the ding dings are going up?
Because the train's coming through.